When the peaceful animals of Sunnybrook Farm stumble upon a mysterious vine-covered portal, their world is turned upside down. Literally. Curious Clover the Cow, adventurous Penny the Pig, and fearless Hank the Rooster take a daring step through the gateway and find themselves smack dab in the middle of a wild, untamed jungle. Suddenly, the familiar barnyard is replaced with towering trees, swinging monkeys. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan. Pumas have the widest range of any wild terrestrial mammal in the Western Hemisphere. They can be found from the Canadian Yukon to the southern Andes of South America, inhabiting a variety of environments, including forests, mountains, deserts, and grasslands. Pumas are large cats, with adults typically measuring 5 to 9 feet, 1.5 to 2.75 meters in length, including their long tails. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds, 150 to 295 kilograms. Polar bears are native to the Arctic Circle, encompassing the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas, and surrounding landmasses. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas, mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions, and Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Plains zebras and mountain zebras typically form small family groups called harems, consisting of one stallion, several mares, and their young. Camels can survive without water for up to 10 days in extreme heat. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels can withstand body temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius, without sweating, helping them conserve water. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups of Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Their lower jaws are not fused, enabling them to stretch widely. Snakes move in various ways, including serpentine, slithering, sidewinding, concertina, accordion-like movement. Koala comes from an Aboriginal word meaning no drink, since they get most water from leaves. Koalas are not bears, they're marsupials with pouches like kangaroos. Koalas have the smallest brain-to-body ratio of any marsupial, and their brain surface is smooth like a primate's. Koalas sleep 18 to 22 hours a day due to their low-energy diet. Hyenas are highly vocal animals. Their famous laugh is actually a form of communication used to signal excitement, stress, or submission. Hyenas are incredibly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and even mountains. Hyenas are highly intelligent, with problem-solving skills comparable to some primates. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history, from transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport. Horses communicate through vocalizations, neighs, whinnies, and snorts, body language, and facial expressions. Foxes are found on every continent except Antarctica. They have adapted to a wide range of habitats, including forests, deserts, mountains, and urban areas. Foxes are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet includes small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and vegetables. They are also known to scavenge. Most foxes are nocturnal. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings rather than social interactions. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. They move between summer and winter grazing grounds to find food and avoid harsh weather. Reindeer have thick, Alligators have excellent night vision and a highly developed sense of smell. They also have specialized sensory organs called integumentary sensory organs, ISOs, on their jaws, which detect changes in water pressure and help them locate prey. Alligators have been featured in folklore, mythology, and popular culture. They are often seen as symbols of strength and resilience. Alligators play a crucial role in their ecosystems by creating alligator holes. Hamsters are nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night and sleep during the day. This can be a consideration for potential pet owners who are light sleepers or prefer daytime interaction with their pets. Hamsters have large cheek pouches that extend down to their shoulders. They use these pouches to carry food, Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey. Lions are often referred to as the Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and females up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and from tall trees, especially acacia trees. They can eat up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms of foliage daily. Giraffes are social animals that live in loose, open herds. These herds can consist of a few individuals to over 20, often including females and their young. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures, including ancient Greek, Egyptian, and Mesopotamian civilizations. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered, with fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict are major threats to their survival. Tigers are primarily nocturnal hunters, using their keen night vision and hearing to locate prey in the dark. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Dogs are highly intelligent and can learn commands, solve problems, and even understand human emotions. Some breeds, like border collies and poodles, Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, 320 to 340 degrees, to spot predators. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Black panthers are solitary and territorial animals, much like their non-melanistic counterparts. Black panthers have been revered in many cultures and are often associated with mystery, power, and stealth. The dark coat of black panthers provides excellent camouflage in dense, shadowy forests, making them highly effective nocturnal hunters. Black panthers are not a distinct species, but rather a color variant of leopards or jaguars caused by melanism, a genetic mutation that results in an excess of dark pigment, melanin, in their fur. Will these farmyard friends adapt to their wild new surroundings, or will they be hopelessly out of their element? As the farm animals navigate this strange new world, they quickly realize the jungle has its own set of rules. Sneaky Jaguar thinks Clover would make a tasty snack. The mischievous monkeys keep stealing Hank's prized golden feathers, and Penny's love for mud pits lands her in a swamp full of grumpy crocodiles.